Do you want your lace to look like this and stay like this? Well, my name is Honeyhunncho and I'm here to teach you a fully detailed wig tutorial on this wig right here. I am from the Bronx, NYC. It was 93 degrees this day and I'm going to teach you how to lay your wig. Let's go. It's been a long day and I wanted to use my extra edge camera from the TikTok shop before I bleach one of my wigs right now. So I'm gonna bleach a wig that I got from a company called Trendy Beauty, and it's super cute. It's a 24-inch Burmese curl. I love Burmese. And I'm going to take it out and I'm going to bleach the knots right now, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna show you guys what I have. Ooh, this is how the curls come out immediately out of the package. Look at this beautiful wig. But the only crazy thing I've never seen is like how it came. Watch. I've never seen a wig come like this, like a dome cap. No funny shit, like it's usually like straight, but we're gonna see. The hair is giving super soft. It doesn't have a smell to it either. It's supposed to be a 13x6. I don't know, but we're gonna see what it's giving, and let's bleach it. You all right? To be for the flyaway hairs. Okay, I usually don't use like a comb for anything when I'm doing this, but I'll do it like this because I usually can just go crazy like this. So this again, you're just gonna start going in. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Get in there. And you're just gonna smooth it around. This is like super ghetto. Be aware that this is one of my first YouTube videos. I don't have an editor. I'm editing everything on my own, so bear with me. If you like my channel, make sure you tap in and subscribe. That's really all I can say, right? But yeah, I'm over here just prepping my wig. Once again, don't be shy with your bleach. You want your knots to come out perfect. So I'm being generous with the amount that I'm putting and making sure I cover the whole entire lace with my bleach. And I know you guys hear that little like crunchy sound, but that is genuinely not the wig breaking or anything like that. You just hear it because I'm using a knife, but it's a plastic knife, so don't worry about that. And yes, I look crazy, but the top is from Shin, if you guys were wondering. So yeah, basically I'm getting full coverage right now, and I'm making sure my entire wig. Now don't worry about this stuff right here because I do that. It's not on purpose, bitch. I made a mistake, but whatever. This is just please enjoy the Asmere. And make sure you're going ear to ear too. Hope you guys are enjoying the Asmere right now. Ooh. Talking shit. everything. I might have like a little blonde patch in there. That's cool. Yeah. Like I said, y'all, this is real ghetto. I'm gonna just clean this up. Okay. If this part ain't edited out, it's because I was lazy. I don't know. But we gonna figure it out. This is what it look like right now. And we gonna leave it here for 20 to 30 minutes. This is what your bleach should look like. Should look like some icing. Right there. Don't get all the dishes. Get closer, please. This is what the lake looks like. No more grassy color. Okay. I'm gonna leave it in the sink with the purple shampoo on it because when I washed it off, it was a little bit golden and I want it to be see-through. Can you girl? I just hit. You see how I feel when I'm all up in your face and sniffing you?
Hey girl. Hey girl.
That's how good he looked.
So what you say?
It depends how good he looks.
Clearly YouTube wanted me to take out the music that was in the background, so I did. So we are here pulling out our edges. I usually start with the sideburns. I start to cut them. I don't cut them too much. That way I leave some hair so I can see if I made any mistakes. I need to cut some more. I don't put my wig too far on my forehead because I feel like a lot of girls make their foreheads look a lot smaller than they are, and I am a big head girly. Well, tiny head girly with a big forehead and a lot of attitude, okay? I know you guys see that piece of lace right there. It's totally fine. I'm gonna get to it. I'm gonna cut it off. Don't worry about it. I'm here singing. I'm here doing my thing. I'm here in my vibe and I'm enjoying myself. Listen, I know like I look like I want to fight and get it on, but baby, look, I don't. I'm over there just focusing, okay? So enjoy this quick intermission of me talking because I'm pretty sure you guys are not enjoying my raspy voice. I lost it this weekend. But yeah. So, quick little story time because, I wouldn't be me if I didn't mention this. But this weekend, I actually had a chaotic weekend. And right after I put this wig on and I laid and slayed it, I received some, genuinely concerning news. And I went outside to go get myself a nice little coffee to calm my nerves. Coffee sounds crazy, right? But I've been drinking Cafe Bustelo since I was like 9 years old. So I went outside to go get myself some coffee while I cut my tabs on my hair real quick. And you can easily see how I cut them. Just shape your ear real quick and you can cut right behind it. Anyways, I went to go get my coffee. I walked down the block. I literally tell my neighbor something. Long story short, let's just make a long story really short. Someone's child really violated me. And, I proceeded to have to go downstairs and check their mother. So, it's really not a long story time because it's not a story to tell at all because it was handled on site rather than later. I just want to say that, I love to do my wigs and I love to do my installs and I love to make my hair look nice. And, I am living in the projects and just doing my own thing, but I wouldn't be Honeyhunncho if I didn't let you guys know that, listen, I will slip this wig off real quick and I will let you know that I am bald headed and I will get it on with you. So do yourself a favor and just leave me alone. I like to do wigs, and if you would like to come get your hair done, definitely come in, get your hair done. I'm Bronx based and I'm over here cutting my ear tabs. It's simple to cut your ear tabs. All you really have to do is go behind your ear and start cutting the lace. I'm super focused. I look like I'm about to punch someone in the face, but I'm honestly not. I'm super happy. Do not mind the bags that are under my eyes, but enjoy the quick intermission of me not talking anymore. Yeah, I'm new to YouTube. Don't worry, guys. We're getting to the final look as of right now. Just gotta comb these flyaway hairs down, make sure that I color match, and, you know, do the quick reveal. Ta-da! If you want to get this wig, make sure you guys follow Trendy Beauty Hair on TikTok Shop and tell them that Honcho sent you. Bye.